Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Muhammad Fadli Hasa. I am from the Department of Information Engineering, Muhammadiyah University of Sorong. Allow me to present the result of the research that we have done. And the title is Data Deletion Security on Hard Disk Drive using the British HMGIS5 and HAN method. For the introduction, number one is one technique to secure confidential information is to perform deletion. And the second is the process of deleting data on hard disk drive basically does not mean permanently deleting it, but only inform the computer that the space used by the data is available to be filled by another data. A completely secure deletion process need to be carried out so that important data can be kept confidential. And the method is British HMGIS5 and HAN is a software-based data deletion method used in document deletion program and data destruction program by overwriting the information contained in the storage media. And the British HMGIS5 and HAN method mm, used by the United Kingdom government as a standard for data deletion. This method performs three phases of rewriting on the storage media so that the data in it is overwriting by the process. Three phases. And the research process was carried out by making a flowchart of the data deletion research stage by implementing the British HMGIS5 method and the operating system command deletion method. For this case, we use shift plus delete on hard disk drive and then analyze it. Uh, why we choose hard disk for this research? Mm, because uh, hard disk drive is a storage medium that is very commonly used on computer device. And the first stage is done by preparing test data for this flowchart, preparing the test data test. The test data is prepared in the form of a document with a total size 1.44 gigabyte and has 10 different extensions. The second stage is filling the hard disk drive with test data that has been prepared by copying the test data into hard disk drive. And the next step is apply the British HMGIS5 and hand erasing method and the operating system command deletion method or shift plus delete on the hard disk drive that has been filled with the test data. The process of implementing the British HMGIS5 and hand method is carried out using three types of tools. And the next stage is analyze the process of implementing data deletion method. The analysis process is divided into two process, namely the performance test of the deletion method and the data recovery test. The performance test aims to determine the performance of the deletion method, and the performance test process is carried out by measuring the average CPU usage, running time, and memory during the process of implementing the deleting method. And this for uh, test data and the tools for this research. Okay, and then the result uh, for the research, the implementation process is carried by applying the British HMGIS5 enhanced arrangement method and operating system deletion method on the hard disk drive that has been filed with test data. The process of an implementation, and this is for a result elimination method performance test. Uh, I want I wanna explain the deletion process by application the operating system command deletion method on the hard disk drive uh, containing test data is very fast, which only take uh, 3 seconds in the process. And with using British HMG AS5 enhanced removal method, mm, need more time, long with more time. And for the British, uh, for the application Shredder 8, this need uh, 12 minutes and uh, 39 seconds. And for the tool eraser, this tool need 3 minutes and 15 seconds for the erasing data. And then for data recovery test with shift delete this for this table. uh, the data recovery test was carried using 5 different types of tools. Testing is carried out to know how effective the implementation of removal method is. The result of data recovery tests are displayed based on the method and tool used. The application of standard operating system can be recovered 100% using all recovery tools. Thus, the deletion process using operating system standard deletion can be declared very unsafe for deleting document. And then for the British HMGIS5 enhanced using Shredder 8 tool shows the delayed document can be pars- partial recovered, as evidenced by the recovery process carried out using 5 recovery tools, as shown on the table for this table. And then was found not accessible at all. For this reason, the British HMGIS5 enhanced removal method using Shredder tool can be said to be safe for deleting document. Uh, and then analysis of the performance test for the conclusion analysis of the performance test of the data deletion tools used in this study showed significant result. In the recovery test process, the application of deletion using standard operating system deletion method can be declared very unsafe to delete document because all recovery tools can recover 100% of delete data with accessible file. And while the implementation of the British HMGIS5 enhanced method can be declared quite safe, but the application of the method there is still several tools that can be recovered data, even though only a little. However, it is possible that the implementation of the British HMGIS5 Enhanced method in the future can be carried out in a full recovery process using more advanced tool and technology. Uh, so, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.